Hey, I'm Rob with Gemplers, and I wanted to take just a quick moment to talk through the different types of Gemplers brooms. It might seem pretty basic, but your broom choice will make a difference on how efficiently and easily you clean up that dusty garage, sandy patio, or gym floor. At Gemplers, we've got a lineup of industrial-grade brooms designed for different surfaces and jobs. The main difference between these brooms, it's all in the bristle. Softer bristles are ideal for smooth concrete floors, think garages, workshops, or gyms. They trap dust and light debris without just pushing it around. On the flip side, firmer, coarser bristles are perfect for rough, uneven surfaces like gravel, asphalt, or outdoor job sites, where you need more force to move heavier debris or get into cracks and crevices to clean them out. However, they can scratch delicate surfaces, so depending on how much you're sweeping and on what surface determines what type of broom to use. This one right here is the Gemplers Industrial Broom. This broom has both stiff and soft bristles. There's the coarse bristles in the middle for the heavy stuff and softer fanned bristles on the outside to catch the finer dust. This is great for spaces like warehouses or dusty concrete shop floors. If you want the best of both worlds, this broom is for you. For a large area, we have our 42-inch general purpose broom. As you can see, this broom is almost twice as wide as the rest and is entirely soft bristles, making it perfect for sweeping large indoor surfaces like gym floors, garages, or warehouses. Now, if you're looking for a bit more grit, this 24-inch shop broom has medium stiff bristles with a little give, but not as soft as our soft bristle brooms. Great for concrete, wood, or even slightly uneven floors. It's that versatile middle ground tool that belongs in any workshop or shed. Now, if you're looking for a firm, stiff bristle broom, this is our coarse surface broom. This is the hardest bristle broom Gemplers has. It's built for serious sweeping like gravel, rough concrete, or yard debris. Stiff, coarse bristles give it the strength to move big, stubborn messes. If you're working outdoors on uneven ground, this is the one to grab. And finally, this is our compact powerhouse, the 18-inch heavy-duty outdoor broom. It's got stiff, long bristles, but a shorter head. It's perfect for patios, walkways, or driveways. The smaller head gives you better control around tight spots and corners. Great for everyday outdoor use all year long. And all of our brooms come with a sturdy 60-inch long wood handle with a durable metal connector for the broom head. So whether you're sweeping fine dust in your garage or clearing gravel off a driveway, Gemplers has the right broom for the task. Built tough, made to last, and designed with the working professional in mind. Check out the full lineup at Gemplers.com and find your perfect broom today.